Hey guys, my son Caleb and I are up here in Michigan for a 2-day early doe season hunt with our good friends Andrew Higgins, Chris Turk, and Tim Davis. I brought the Umarex hammer and I'm hunting with these new prototype Lehigh Defense rounds. And there are deer literally everywhere, guys. I've seen 17 already this morning. 7 nice shooter bucks. The smallest one was like a 5-point. A couple of 8-pointers. I mean, it's just they're out here sparring in the field. It's been an amazing morning. This is an awesome farm. We're here for 2 days. Each hunter can take up to 10 does. That's how many deer they have here. Just shot a doe at about 25 yards. She maybe ran 20 yards and I heard her crash over here in this cornfield. So we're getting ready to climb down and go check her out. That's a crazy amount of blood, ain't it?
Yeah, it is. All right. You want me to keep going? Or?
Yeah,
all right.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh my gosh, dude, look, just Chad.
Right, looking. Hey,
wow. It's like the hallway, it's crazy.
Go right down that road.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna get blood off.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, I got it. Find her? Man, she didn't go 30 yards.
Wait till you come up here with the camera. She's laying in a pool of blood.
Yeah, she didn't even go 30 yards, man. Oh, she's a big one. Ooh, nice. Nice shot, Chad.
She's laying in a pool of blood, man.
Wow.
That's a big doe, man.
Yeah, she was good sized doe. Yep.
There you go, Chad Simon.
All right, first morning here with Andrew.
Right.
Thank you, Andrew.
You're welcome.
Really appreciate you letting us come up, me and my son.
Yep.
First deer for me with the Umarex hammer and the new Lehigh Defense rounds. The proof is in the pudding right there.
Yes, sir.
It is something else. All right, guys, we found our doe. Shot her with the Lehigh Defense rounds. She went maybe 25 yards, complete pass through, and the corn stalks just looked like blood was thrown everywhere with a bucket, man. It was unreal. It was the heaviest blood trail I've ever had on a doe. So glad to get this deer. It's awful big doe too. I mean, these Michigan deer are huge. Not anything like a Virginia deer. So I'm gonna gut her and get her out.